Hey crafty friends, welcome back to Cardz TV. This is Mary, and today I'm going to show you a quick card made with scraps. We're into December now, guys, and I have got to get a move on, and if you don't have your cards out yet, you do too, right? So we need to do some quick, simple cards, and it's always good if you can use up those scraps. So we've got a white card base. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. Then we've got 3 pieces of scrap paper. I love the holly, and then this green and white polka dot goes so well with it. And these are cut at 1 5/8 by 3 1/4. We've got 3 of them. You can do different ones. You can do all the same, however you want to do it. Then this little striped strip right here is a 1/2 inch by 5 1/4. Then I took another little scrap and I cut this holly leaf, and this came from the Cricut Winter Woodland cartridge, and that little holly leaf is on page 41, and I cut it at 1 1/2 inches. Okay guys, I'm going to get my glue and I'm going to show you how this card goes together. We're going to take our card base and we're going to put the 2 holly papers on the outside. And we're going to go ahead and glue those down first, and then that will help us determine where to put this green one in the center. So I'll go ahead and get these down. We'll get this one down, and then we'll do that green and white. I would venture to say if you get all your pieces cut out, you could make this little card in about 3 minutes. It's that quick. Okay, we want to try to line it up exactly like the other side. And now this will help us know where to put this one in the center. We want to make sure we get it even at the top and even on each side. Now we're going to go ahead and take this little striped paper and put that right across the center, just like that. And you can see, once again, I'm sticking with red, white, and green. Love those traditional Christmas colors. This card's almost done, guys. It's so quick. Now we're going to go ahead and put our sentiment on here. And I've got my Misty, so I don't mess up, hopefully. And I went ahead and used a stamp that says Happy Holidays. And this is one of my stamps, one of my Cardz TV stamps called Big Holiday Wishes. And I'm using the Happy Holidays right there. And I've got some Memento Cottage Ivy ink. Let's move that little piece over there. I'm going to go ahead and get this in my Misty. And I've lined up where I want to put this. So I'll go ahead and ink that up, and we'll get that stamped. I love this Memento Cottage Ivy ink. It's so pretty for Christmas cards. And all I have is one of these little cat size of it, so I use it sparingly. Okay, go ahead and get that stamped. Ta-da! Needs a little bit more, so we'll give it one more stamp, and that should do it. Right in there is where it didn't stamp so well. That got it nice and bright. Okay, now we're going to take that little holly leaf I cut out, get that put down right here flat with some glue, and I've got some Doodlebug Design little glittery sprinkles, and I'm going to take one of those and put it down at the end of that little holly leaf. And I'm going to do this with tweezers. So it's kind of small. And we're going to have this card done, guys. See how quick? If you got everything cut out, I know you could make this card super fast. And it's so quick and so cute and cheerful. Let's just take one of these for our holly berry and put that right there. And there we go, guys. I think that turned out so cute. And here's another one I made. So I've got 2 done now. Quick and easy and so cute. So there we have it, guys. Thank you all so much for coming by and spending time with me today. I appreciate it so much. And all your wonderful comments. You all are so nice to me and so encouraging. And I really do appreciate it. So there we go. Give it a try, guys. If you're like me and you're in a crunch to get these cards done, this is a good one for doing that. I love you all. God bless you all. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.